Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my February and March 2026 empties. So let's not dilly-dally, let's get straight into it. So the first item here is the Grace and Stella foaming face wash. This was sitting in like a cabinet somewhere. I think Austin was using it at one point, and then he like started using a different bathroom to do his nightly routine, and it just got lost and left behind. So I found it when I was doing a little cleanup. I finished it up. It's fine. It's just your standard foaming face wash. Also an Austin item, I think he did use this up pretty exclusively. It's the orange body scrub from Lush. He loves the smell of this, and while we don't buy it all the time because Lush stuff can be a little expensive, I'll get him more of this next time we head to the mall. This item, the Tarte Stay Spray, setting spray, is not finished. There's still some in there, but the nozzle I cannot get cleaned up or ungooked to save my life, and it started spraying just like a straight line instead of a mist, and honestly this is just not my favorite anyway, so I decided I'm going to stop trying to fix it and I'm just going to get rid of it. I finished the Verb Tone and Brighten and Hydrate Purple Face Mask, and I think this is a face mask? Hair mask. Anyway, and I think this is a really good hair mask. I really like how intensely purple it is. When I'm super duper blonde, this is a nice mask to do. From Drunk Elephant, I finished the Sealy body lotion with the 5-ceramide blend, and this is a very nice body lotion. I kind of cycle between Paula's Choice body lotions, Drunk Elephant ones, and then the Necessaire one. So I probably will repurchase this sometime in the future. I don't know when. I've got a bunch to go through, but I like this. From Ellis Brooklyn, I didn't actually finish this entire product, but I had to decant this fragrance into my atomizer because the nozzle came broken, and since I have an atomizer, I didn't feel like it was worth getting in touch with the company to get a new one. If you don't, then it probably would have been worth it. But this is the Ellis Brooklyn Vanilla Salt, one of the newer fragrances. I'm still getting to know it. It's really nice. It smells really good. I haven't decided for sure if I'll be getting a full size of this once I'm done with it or not, but I do think it smells lovely. It's a great vanilla scent. Also from Ellis Brooklyn, I finished the Sunfruit little vial I have here, and I have repurchased a large size of this. I really like this scent. From Aether Beauty, I finished the Big Bang Mascara. I really liked this. It was very nice. It just started getting gloopy. I'm not like the pickiest person about mascara, although I kind of think moving forward I might stick with tubing ones just because I feel like they're easier to remove and I can't be faffed. I'm finishing a few I still have from hoarding makeup, but this is a nice one if you're looking to try something new. This package exploded a bit, but this is the Better by Design Peppermint crafted with coconut oil. I don't know. It's their dental floss, basically. They sell silk ones. This is the vegan one. I finished this sample from Paula's Choice. It's the 6% mandelic acid and 2% lactic acid. I have a full size of this product I'm using right now, but this was the sample I got in my order, so I just used it up. I finished the Bali Balm in bergamot and grapefruit, and these are just okay. I used to really like them. I think maybe they've just degraded over time, or the formula changed between the first batch of them that I got and the second batch. I wouldn't buy this, but it was perfectly fine. Something I would consider buying because I really liked this. This was the Kosas Wet Lip Oil in Unbuttoned. This was a freebie from Sephora. I think it was a birthday freebie a year or two ago. I just finally finished it. This color in particular is so nice for just throwing in your bag and putting one on the go because it's very like My Lips but better, or at least for me it is. So I really liked this. I am getting rid of the Jasmine Beauty, I think it says, Brow Boss. This was a brow wax and it's completely dried out. Went to use it the other day and it was crackly, so this is just trash at this point. This is a very old Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer. I don't even know where this came from, but I found it in some stuff, so I finished it. I finished my all-time favorite product ever, the Paula's Choice Skin Restoring Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 50. Love this stuff. It is my favorite Paula's Choice product. It's my one skincare product I'd buy if I could only get one. I love this. I also finished the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40. Now, I really like very bare coverage personally, so I would mix this, even though it's tint, into this and make it even more like sparse and less coverage. But I love this. I really like Ilia skin products. This is one of my favorites, and I would repurchase this. I finished 2 Drunk Elephant like travel size, sample size products. I finished the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. Great, nice, thick cream. I like using this for nighttime. I also finished the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. My skin loves this. I know that Drunk Elephant is a lot of like ingredients you can get in other forms that can cost you a lot less money, but I don't know why my skin really responds to a lot of Drunk Elephant products in the way they formulate. Wish it didn't. They're expensive, but I purchased a full size of this because my skin loved it. Like, I saw a visible difference overnight from this stuff, so I had to get it. Those are all my empties for February and March. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the thumbs up button. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.